Hi everyone. So this week is neat because we've been learning about sound, light, and heat. This is from your packet where you cut things out. This is the final page. It says energy sort, color and cut out the pictures at the bottom. Sort them into the correct column. So we have sound energy, light energy, and heat energy. So if you want to pause the video, you can cut those out and then follow along as we do it together. Okay, so hopefully you've had time to cut out your pictures. So let's start with the ambulance. Go ahead and find that one if you have it. Okay, and would you say an ambulance is sound, light, or heat? If you said sound, you're right, and if you look really closely, you'll see that the lights are flashing too. But when I think of an ambulance, I think of the sound. Okay, let's look at lightning. What kind of source? Sound, light, or heat? It would be light. It even has it in its name, doesn't it? Lightning. That one. Okay, let's get another one. A stove. Sound energy, light energy, or heat energy? I would say heat because a stove helps us cook food, which heats up the food. Okay, let's look at another one. How about a flashlight? Once again, it has light in it, so I would think it's light, not sound or heat. Okay, how about a bird? Is that heat? No. Light? No. Sound? Yes, when they make Twitter, they're making sound. Okay, a lamp. Heat? No. Light? Yes. A lamp helps us see, so it's light energy. There's this one. Okay. An iron, is that sound energy? No. Light energy? No. Heat energy? Yes, because it plugs into the electricity and makes the iron hot, so you can iron clothes, get out wrinkles. Okay. Singing. Heat? No. Light? No. Sound? Yes. So there's our sound energy. Okay. You probably have two left. These are the two. So candle was a little tricky because candles can make heat, but really when I think of a lot of heat, I think of a fire. So I talked to Miss Turner and she said they're light because the purpose of a candle is to light things, to make it so we can see. And then last of all was a volcano, and that would be heat energy because it's very hot, right? Lava's hot. Okay, so hopefully yours looks like mine. If it doesn't, you can just fix it. And I hope that was a fun activity for you. Bye, everyone.